Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I'm going to share very exciting news with you. That is, Shopify recently published 10 premium quality theme for fully free. Why it's very exciting news? Because as a Shopify developer, I know also you know as a Shopify user or Shopify developer, every platform have some few positive and negative side. So as Shopify one of the most popular trending and creating hype on e-commerce industry from a long time, but it has some negative side also or pain point also. So what is the pain point? That is, Shopify has very limited free theme if you compare with others e-commerce based platform. But recently Shopify solved this problem, I think, from my experience, because they have published 10 new theme for their user. So this is very exciting news for all of the Shopify lover like me, also like you. And if you are very beginner, wanted to start your business with Shopify, and you wanted to make a professional Shopify online store by yourself without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, also without spending any money, then this video will be very helpful for you, because you are going to learn about new Shopify theme and going to see the featured and its preview in this video. So let's get started. So I'm going to Shopify theme directory. This is the Shopify theme directory, and I have selected free theme, and you can see that here is the free theme: Server, Fabric, Thinker, then Basil, Droel, and Peach. We have already make a review for Server, Fabric, Thinker, and Basil, Droel, and in this video we're going to review Peach free theme. So open this theme. Okay, make your bold peach with bright, beautiful, enticing layout. So first we are going to check out the demo, then we will discuss about its main feature and the feature they have described in here. So go to the click on the view demo store. So why I think it's best or built for skincare, because you see that they have designed the demo for skincare item. Looks here, and they use the typography and color combination especially for skincare item, or you can use it for makeup item. Looks here, very unique. I think if you running any business with skincare item or makeup item, then you should use this theme. That will be best for you, but also you can use this theme for others product. That's mean there are no restriction to use it only for skincare or makeup item, but it's basically focus or based on skincare and makeup item, but it's open to use for any type of product. So now we are going to check out the product. They have added add to cart, quick add to cart button. If I click on the cart, there is a pop-up cart, slide pop-up or slide cart box. Okay, also if I click on this product, then we can see the product page. They make something different. In general, we see product position, we see product image position in the left side and content position in the right side, but here is totally offside or different. They have added the running text and with hover effect related product, but I like the footer section too much because it's totally different and looks so professional, eye-catching and unique. Okay, now we are going to go to shop page. In the shop page, you can see that they have added page banner section or page header section with banner image and text, and here is the page product layout of shop page. looks good. Layout chooser, also the filter option. So overall it looks neat and clean, professional and lightweight, especially the typography and color combination. Also it's responsive. You see, this is very important for any Shopify user because maximum customers use their phone to order on online especially, and that's why it's so important. Okay, and now we are going to the details page of this theme. It's developed by Shopify, so you can use it without any hesitation about the security. It's very secure and well coded theme. This is the first version of this theme. And show up your product with details, bold brand storytelling. If you like bold type text or bold typography, then it's perfect. Another things they have added, this is mega menu with image. We can see this option when we start customize or building our website using this theme. Okay, then from horizon collection, and here is the p chart. This is in general we see. This time is get for quick setup. You can easily quick setup or upgrade your current design using this theme in a quick time. And in the cart page you get quick buy, sign up with shop, slide out cart, marketing and conversion. You will get the promo banner section, cross selling option in a quick, in menu promo quick view, also customizable contact from, and merchandise, animation, image rollover, product option, slideshow, color chooser. This is very important feature. Product video, this is also another important feature. Size guide. Okay, and finally the product discovery, enhance search, infinity scroll, sticky header, mega menu, choose file. So overall my recommend is to use this theme if you really want to lightweight, simple, minimal with bold type text and typography, and that is fully responsive. Then you can use this theme, upgrade your current store with this theme, and you can play around with this theme to know more about this. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.